Good day, everyone. I am Lailin Operio, so I will discuss about the types of reliability. But before I discuss, let's proceed to our objectives. So the first objective is to identify the different types of reliability used in test and measurement. And the second is differentiate among test-retest, inter-reader, parallel forms, and internal consistency reliability. So the first types of reliability that I will discuss is the test retest reliability. So the meaning of this is to measure stability over time. So for example here, a teacher gives a spelling test on Monday and again on Friday. If the students get nearby the same scores, the test is reliable. So consistent results over time equal reliable test. So the second types of reliability that I will discuss is inter-rater reliability. So means measures agreement between different observers or raters. So the example here, the two teachers grade the same essay. If they both give similar scores, the test has high inter-rater reliability. So here, different people, same judgment, reliable observation. So here po sa inter-rater reliability, is same sila ng content, pero kapag similar yung result na nakuha ng students, it is have a high inter-rater reliability. So the remaining types of reliability is we will discuss by Nika Angela Pitilia. And thank you for your listening.
Hi everyone, this is the continuation of the report of Miss Lailin Operio. So the next types of reliability is parallel forms. Reliability is a measure of how consistent two different but equivalent versions of a test measure the same trait or construct. So here in parallel forms, reliability is giving two different versions of the same test to the same group of students. Some content, kumbaga po, this is test A and test B. For example, sa block A is 5 apples plus 6 apples is equals to 11. Sa block B naman is 5 sleepers plus 6 sleepers is equals to 11. Ganun po yung parallel reliability. And also, magiging reliable siya kapag both block is nakakuha ng mataas na score. And also, ginagamit din ang parallel forms reliability kapag gusto nating masiguro na kahit gumawa tayo ng dalawang magkaibang test which is test A and test B na may magkatulad na tanong o hirap ay pare-pareho pa ring makakakuha ng mataas na score ang dalawang block. So the next types of reliability is internal consistent reliability. Is a measure of how well the items on a test or survey are related to each other and how consistent they measure the same underlying construct. So here, in internal consistent reliability is a tool to use to measure if the item of test is uniform. For example, the teacher gave a survey about anxiety so that dapat lahat ng questions ay tungkol sa anxiety, hindi sa other matter. Because it should be uniform in each item of the survey. Also, ginagamit ang internal consistent reliability para makita kung pare-pareho ang sagot ng mga students sa binigay na survey. Kumbaga, magkakalapit yung mga sagot nila sa survey na binigay ng teacher na tungkol sa anxiety. So, that's all for my report, everyone. Thank you for listening.